Hey guys, this is Chris Ellis with Smart Home Air and Heat. I'm sorry I'm a little sweaty. It's been a very long day today. Of course, summertime in Florida is extremely busy. I just wanted to touch base with you because I want to show you something. This is a brand new client of ours. They are a landlord, and he rents out his condo here to different people, Airbnb, but he has a full-time company right now that is doing all of his preventative maintenance. He's got landlord or tenants here, and the tenants had to leave because the AC stopped working. I want to show you something that kind of upsets me, and I want you guys to know how to prevent it. Follow me this way. I want to show you. So this landlord, I met this landlord 3 days ago at another property of his, and he gave me this one, but let me show you this real quick. And you guys will have to forgive me because I don't have my mic on me. It's just, this is an impromptu kind of a thing. So let me show you. So this unit here is the unit that fits that house. I got the call because the unit was not working. I went upstairs, and of course the float switch had been activated. So the drain line had not been cleaned out. But what I did, and what you guys need to know, these are called job links. These are very, very important. These go here and on here and then inside. And what these do actually is it tells us the health of your system. If anybody comes to do a checkup or preventative maintenance and they don't have these, they're just looking and guessing. That's all they're doing is looking and guessing. But I want you, if you could zoom in right here. So this is the capacitor. This is the contactor right here. Look at this down here. Now this is preventative maintenance. They were here 3 weeks ago. Let me show you something. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off real quick. Now I'm gonna have you look right inside here. I guarantee you inside here is gonna be dirty, filled with leaves and all that kind of stuff. It's amazing people pay for services and they don't get it. So while this is stopping, I do want you guys to know that these outdoor coils, when we do a preventative maintenance here at Smart Home, we make sure we clean the outdoor coils for you. We make sure we get in here and all this is clean. This capacitor right here, just so you, this capacitor was bad and barely hanging on, but none of this stuff has been properly cleaned. All of this gets cleaned. Let's look right inside here. Yep, if you can look right down there, that's what I figured. You can point right, yeah. So all of that gets cleaned when we do our preventative maintenance. To have someone out here 3 weeks ago, again, is irresponsible at best. We're not the kind of company that's going to come in and just start trying to sell you things. You actually get a report when we leave, a video when we leave, a picture of the before and after. If you guys aren't getting that stuff in today's day and age with this kind of technology, someone's not doing their job right. Here at Smart Home Air and Heat, we do our job right. Give us a call down there, 407-465-7777, 407-465-7777. We'll do it the right way every time. Thank you very much. Make it a smart day.